What do you call that game?
What?
What do you call that game you're playing?
No.
Is it fun?
Yeah, it's fun.
It looks fun.
It's fun.
Hey, what are you wearing?
It's a cape.
Oh, a Spider-Man cape, huh?
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah, it's not cape. It's it's not cape. Really, it's just it's a poster right around it, and another cape. Alright, begin.
Is that how you play that game? Try it again.
Yeah.
Don't you think you might break it doing that?
No. It just turns off itself and doesn't break. I got 250 points.
Good job.
70.